In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use ray tracing in Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about ray tracing for Roblox and how you can actually enable it. Now, ray tracing is not officially available for Roblox, meaning that you will have to download an external program. Because of this, you can only use ray tracing if you are on PC. Ray tracing is not available in any way on consoles or mobile, so keep that in mind. For PC, if you want to use ray tracing, all that you have to do is download Bloxshade. This was developed by a lot of people, and you will be able to find all of the information, including a video here. It is primarily made and published by XtraV, so as you can see, they are listed under the acknowledgements. Now, this is going to be a tool that enables ray tracing presets inside of Roblox. You can click on this option here, source code, and you will be redirected into GitHub. As you can see, you can find their Discord link over here if you would like to join, and a lot more information about it. It is safe to use, and if you are worried, you can notice that there are over 10,000 people on Discord, so you can join the Discord to ask questions and be sure that it is okay to use. Now, you can get more information here, but to keep it simple, all that you have to do is click download and open the zip file that you get it from this website. Once you open that zip file, you will be able to find the setup. In there, you have to go over to the settings and first patch the NVIDIA app. So if you see the option to patch the NVIDIA app, click that at the bottom right. This is very important because you will need an NVIDIA GPU and one older version of the NVIDIA app, and with that done, just click on create shortcuts. Every time that Roblox updates, you will have to create shortcuts once again, but for the NVIDIA app, you only have to do it once. Then click install and let this entire process finish. You will be able to browse through various presets that are offered by the community, but the default ones should be enough. So once you get inside of a game, you can join any experience that you have on Roblox. Literally any experience will allow you to use them. So join any experience here from the list, and when you join, you have to press Alt plus Z. By pressing Alt plus Z, you will see an overlay at the left side of the screen, and in that overlay, all that you have to do is choose the Edit Filters or Game Filters. From the options, you will be able to select various different RTX profiles and use it within Roblox. I hope I was able to help you on how to use ray tracing in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.